Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor.
Now we are going to construct the quadrilaterals when the lengths of three sides and two included angles are given. That is AS. Now here we can see example 8th question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5 centimeters, BC 4.5 centimeter, CD 6 centimeter, angle B 100 degrees and angle C is equal to 75 degrees. So as already we know that we need to construct the rough sketch. So what is our first step? Draw a rough sketch as usual and mark the measurements given. Mark A, B, C, D, and write down AB as 5 centimeter, B2C 4.5 centimeter, CD 6 centimeter, angle B here we have 100 degrees and angle C 75 degrees. So first we need to construct the triangle ABC by using the property side angle side. So we need to construct the triangle ABC by using the property side angle side. Now let's go to the construction part. Now here we are going to construct the triangle ABC with the property of side, angle and side. So for that first draw the line segment of AB of length 5 centimeters. Now remove the ruler and write in the mark the measurement, that is AB 5 centimeter. And here we are constructing angle B 100 degrees. So B we can't construct with the compass, but because it is not a special angle, so we need to construct the angle 100 degrees by using the protractor. So now take the protractor and place with the center B. The center point of the protractor must be matched with the vertex B, and on the angles from the left side. So we are getting 0, 10, 20, 30, 60, 80, 90. It is here we have 100. So mark the 100 point here and remove the ruler and draw a ray BX through the vertex from center B as a vertex through the mark point. Now you can label with the X-ray and you should write down there 100 degrees. Now we have constructed angle B is equal to 100 degrees. And to complete the triangle ABC, we need to locate the point C on this ray BX. So for that, and we know here we have the length of B to C is 4.5 centimeters. So now take the ruler and take the compass and take the compass radius as 4.5 centimeters with the help of ruler. Now B as the center. Now B as the center. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point C. So now we are drawing. Now here we are getting the point C now. So now write on the B to C length 4.5 centimeters. Now here we know the length or exact location of the point C. So now join A and C with the help of ruler. Just keep the dotted line on. Here we should join the A to C with the dotted line. Don't draw the thick line here. Just use the dotted line to join A and C. Now here we have constructed triangle ABC by using the property side, angle and side. Now here we are going to construct this angle 75 degrees. So how to construct the angle 75 degrees now? By using angle 75 degrees is a special angle. So we can construct it with the 75 degrees with the help of a protractor. So for that, first we need to construct the how you will get 75 degrees. We need to bisect the 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Then you will get a 75 degrees. If you are bisecting the 60 and 90 degrees, then you will get 75 degrees. So first you should construct the 90 degrees. How will you construct the 90? Bisect the 60 and 120, then you will get the 90 degrees. Now let's go to the construction of the 90 degrees. Then after that we will get the 75 degrees. Now you should take the compass and place the compass at a point C. Why? Because we are constructing angle C. So you should place the protractor at the point C. Now take the compass radius as more than half of the length of this C to B now. So just I'm taking the length more than half of the length of this C to B now. So it is a CB length. So taking the more than half, and now C at the center. C at the center. Draw an arc here. Now C at the center. Draw an arc. Now with the same radius. Now this point at the center. Now cut an arc which cut the previous arc at point 60 degrees. Now already we know this point indicating the 60. Now again with the same radius with the point of this 60. Now draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point 120 degrees. Now this we are now here we are getting 120 degrees. Now bisect the 60 and 120. For that you should take the more than half of this 60 and 120 arc. Now with the center of 60 degrees, draw an arc here. Now with the center of the 120 degrees, cut the previous arc here. So then here we are getting the 90 degrees. Now these two arcs are intersecting at point 90. So this angle is indicating 90. Just mark the arc length here. Why? Because we need to bisect the 60 and 90 degrees. So for that, you should just mark the small line here to look at the exact place of the 90 degrees on this arc. After getting the 90 degrees, we are going to bisect this 90 degrees and 120 degrees. For that, you should take the compass and take the compass radius more than half of the length of 60 to 90. So it is 0.60. This point is 90 and 60. So we are taking the more than half of the length of 60 and 90. And now 90 at the center. You should draw an arc here. So I'm using the other color to identify easily arcs. Again with the now 120 at the center. Now 120 at the center. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc. So now these two this color arcs are intersecting at this point. No, this point indicating the 75 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw a ray CY through this intersection point. So draw a ray CY now. Now label with C and Y. Now here angle C we are getting 75 degrees. Now we are going to look at the point D on this CY ray. So why? Because we know the length of C to D 6 centimeter. So now you should take the ruler and take the compass radius as 6 centimeter with the help of ruler. Now take the compass radius as 6 centimeter. Now C at the center. Now C at the center. Draw an arc which cut the previous ray CY at point D. Now here we are getting the exact point of this D. So now C as a center, draw with a radius of 6 centimeters. Draw an arc which cut the previous ray CY at point D. Now we know the exact location of this point D. Now just simply join A to D to get the required quadrilateral ABCD. Now take the ruler and just join the A D. Now label here C to D length 6 centimeter. So it is a required quadrilateral. Now we will solve the constructions in exercise 3.5. Here we have first question. Construct quadrilateral PQRS with the PQ 3.6 centimeter, QR 4.5 centimeter, R2S 5.6 centimeter. Angle Q here they given PQR means angle Q, that is the 135 degrees, and angle QRS means angle R is equal to 60 degrees there. So angle 135 and 60 degrees, these both are special measurements. So we can use these constructions by using the compass. So what is our first step? Draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral and label it with the given measurements. Just draw the normal quadrilateral and label it with PQ, RS, and write the lengths P to Q 3.6 centimeter and Q to R 4.5 centimeter. Then R to S 5.6 centimeter, and angle Q here we have 135 degrees, and angle R here we have 60 degrees. So now what we have to do first? Now we are going to consider the triangle PQR by using the property of side, angle, and side. So we have to complete the triangle PQR. Now let's go to the construction part. Now draw a line segment of PQ of length 3.6 centimeter. Draw a line segment 3.6 centimeter. And remove the ruler and write the dimension, that is PQ 3.6 centimeter. Now here we are going to construct an angle PQR, that is PQR is equal to 135 degrees. How will you get 135 degrees? We are going to bisect which angle now? So to get angle 135 degrees, we need to bisect the angle 120 degrees and 150 degrees. How will you get 130 degrees? So now you should bisect the angle 120 and 180, then you will get 150. So first construct the 150 degrees. After finishing the 120, then you will bisect 120 and 150, then you will get angle 135. Now let's go to the construction part of the angle 135 degrees. So for that, you should take the compass and take the compass radius more than half of the length of this PQ, and so I'm taking approximately the maximum more than length of this PQ length, line segment of PQ length. Now with the Q as center, draw an arc here. Draw an arc. So now here with this point of the center, construct the angle 60 degrees. Now it is arc 60 degrees. Again with the same center, now with 60 as a center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at 120 degrees. Now again with the same radius, now with the 120 as a center, draw an arc which cut the previous arc which cut the intersection at point 180 degrees. Now this point is 60 degrees, 120, and this is we are getting 180 degrees now. To construct the 150 degrees, we need to bisect the angle 60 and 120. So for that, you should take the compass radius more than half of the length of 120 degrees and 150 degrees. Now 120 as a center, draw an arc here. Now we are bisecting the 120 and 150 degrees. So now 150 as a center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point 150 degrees. Now this is, we are indicating these two arcs are intersecting point, indicating the 150 degrees now. Now just remove the compass and just mark the point of this 150 degrees. Why? Because we need to bisect this 120 and 150. Now see this middle arc show the 150 degrees now. Now we are going to bisect this 120, 180. So for that I am changing the color of this pen. Now we are going to bisect this 150 and 120. So for that you should take the compass radius more than half of the length of 150 and 120. Now with the 120 at the center, draw an arc here. Now again with 120 as a point of center, now you should draw another arc which cut the previous arc to get the angle 135 degrees now. See, now these two arcs are intersecting at a point. So this point indicating 135 degrees now. Now take the ruler and draw a ray through the 135 degrees. Now draw a ray here, QX. So now you should mark as QX, and you should write angle Q is equal to 135 degrees now. Now here we are going to locate the point R on this ray QX because we know the length of Q to R. So for that, you should take the compass scale and take the compass and take the compass radius as 4.5 centimeters. Now take the compass radius as 4.5 centimeters. Now Q as center. Now Q as center. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc at a point R. Now Q to R length 4.5 centimeters. Now just to join the triangle, join the PR to complete the triangle PQR with the dotted line. Now take the ruler and just draw the PR with the dotted line. Now after that, we are going to locate the point S here, and we are going to construct the angle R is equal to 60 degrees. So first I'm going to construct the angle 60 degrees. So 60 degrees. So to construct the angle R 60 degrees, now place the compass. R is the center. Now take the compass radius more than half of the length of P to Q length. Now R as the center. Now R as the center. Draw an arc. Now with the same center, again we cut the previous arc at point 60 degrees. With the same radius, draw another arc which cut the previous arc. Now here we are getting angle 60 degrees. Now take the ruler and draw a ray RY to the point of 60 degrees now. Now this is point S, sorry, Y ray. It is we are getting angle 60 degrees now. Now we are going to locate the point S on this R to S line segment. So we know the length of R to S is 4.5 centimeters. So for that, you should take the compass radius as 5.6 centimeters now. Why? Because we are going to locate the point S on R Y ray. So we are taking the 5.6 centimeters as compass radius. Now with the R at the center. Now R as center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc which cut the previous arc, sorry, previous ray RY at point S. Now here we are getting point S. Now write the length of S to R is 5.6 centimeter. Now take the ruler and join PS to get a complete quadrilateral P2RS. Now take the ruler and join P and S simply with the help of ruler. Now we are getting, now here it is the required quadrilateral PQRS.